Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden, here to take you through today's market action. Stocks closed mixed but climbed significantly off the lows throughout the session. The Russell rallied 1.4%, while the Dow added close to 0.5%. The S&P couldn't join the peers, though, closing 0.2% lower. The Nasdaq slid 0.2%. Consumer staples led sectors in the S&P with its 1.7% rally. Industrials and financials also gained more than 1% each. Technology closed as the big laggard, down 1.6%. And continuing trade tensions between the U.S. and China sent markets lower to start the day. China said it will add sanctions against U.S. units of Hanwha Ocean, a major shipping line that exchanges global goods. China's actions come following President Trump's threat to raise tariffs by 100% against China starting November 1st. AMD muscled gains while peers like Nvidia and Broadcom fell after Oracle said it would use 50,000 of AMD's chips starting in the third quarter of 2026. Oracle will use the chips for its cloud infrastructure. The announcement comes after OpenAI penned a deal with AMD just last week, which sent the stock soaring. AMD traded 0.75% higher, while Nvidia fell 4.4%. And earnings season kicked off with the big banks, stocks showing mixed reaction to the reports. JPMorgan Chase saw its revenue jump to $47 billion on an earnings beat, but the stock moved close to 2% lower after Jamie Dimon signaled economic uncertainty ahead. Investment banking giant Goldman Sachs also posted a strong beat, but then slid on the session as well after citing a potential market pullback on its call. Citigroup rallied thanks to a strong showing in deal-making and trading revenue, while Wells Fargo jumped after raising targets for returns on common equity. Big banks will continue their earnings tomorrow morning, with Bank of America and Morgan Stanley set to report. We'll also hear from ASML, and then after hours, we have United Airlines and J.B. Hunt releasing their quarterly reports. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden. Remember, you can tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.